Alright students, so this video here is just to review the directions for the unit rate assignment. If you look on Teams, you can either view assignment here or you can click assignments on the side. But again, it's the unit rate. Sorry. When you view it, this is what you will see. You do not have to watch the video. If you choose to watch the video to help you, that is still not completing the assignment. Remember, your assignment is down here. It says my work. My copy says student work. And you click on this to open the document. When you open the document, this is what you see. So remember, unit rate is when you have a rate you're comparing two objects and you have a denominator of 1. That's what a unit rate is. Again, you're comparing two objects and you have a denominator of 1 in the unit rate. So what we're trying to do here is decide which would be the better buy based on the unit rate. So I have to find the unit rate for each product, and then I'm going to see if my prediction is correct. So just looking at these two prices and the ounces for Tide and Cheer, I'm going to predict that Cheer is the better buy. So you have to make a prediction for each item. If you choose the item on the left, you can say product 1. If you choose the item on the right, you can say product 2. But this had a name, so I said Cheer. Unit rate for product 1. We have to calculate the unit rate. Remember, unit rate is when my denominator is 1. Remember, when we are calculating the unit rate, I am first going to start with the dollar amount, the price, because I'm finding the price per ounces. So here I am typing in $6.44. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. $6.44 divided by 46. Use a calculator. I am, again, going to find the unit rate to figure out how much money it costs for 1 ounce in Tide. So I'm typing this in the calculator. I'm typing 6.44 divided by 46. Oops. I'm just messing up. Well, I'm sorry. 46. And that equals 14 cents. This is money. This is all related to money. So my unit rate for Tide for product 1 is 14 cents per ounce. Remember the video we watched today with Rady, the math cat? We watched it today and yesterday for my 3rd and 7th period. So remember, when you were talking about a unit rate, you have to have per. If you all just put 14 cents on the line, that is not a unit rate, that is a decimal. You have to have 14 cents per ounce. So now I'm going to find the unit rate for product 2, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm taking the dollar amount, $8.96, dividing it by 56 ounces, because that's how many ounces are in the Cheer, and I'm going to put that in the calculator. $8.96 divided by 56. And I get 16 cents per ounce. And again, that is money. That's not just 0.16. That is 16 cents per ounce. And again, you have to put the per ounce in there for it to be a unit rate. If you do not, that is not a unit rate and your answer is wrong. So now the question is, which is the better buy? Well, all you have to do is look to see which is cheaper, 14 cents or 16 cents per ounce. And the answer is 14 cents, so Tide is the better buy. And that's how you fill this sheet out for each item. You have to do your prediction, and it doesn't matter. Your prediction is not right or wrong. It is just a prediction on what you think. Calculate the unit rate. I just showed you how to put the numbers in the calculator. Your price always goes first, divided by the ounces, and then say which is the better buy. Now, one other thing I want to show you all, because a lot of you all got down to the bottom to this one. This one is different. This is not ounces. These are all measured in bottles. This pack has one pack of 12. That means there are 12 bottles in here. So just like this was 16 ounces, you divided that by 16. Here, you're dividing this by 12 because there are 12 bottles in there. Over here, so let me type that division problem in there so there's no question. So this is just $3.89 divided by 12. But over here, it says 3 packs of 12. So if I had this pack, and then if I had another pack, and then if I had another pack, and there were 12 in all 3 packs, 12 times 3, or if I added 12 3 times, 12 times 3 would be 36. So what I would need to do here is do $10.49 divided by 36. And that is how you find your unit rate for those 2 items. So when you complete all of the items, when you complete all of them and fill them all in, then you would click close and you would turn in your assignment. If you turn it in and you're not done with it, it's going to get graded as is.